Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to clear the Instagram cache on Android. To get started, find and open the Settings app from the Apps menu. After that, scroll down and select Apps. Then enter the Manage Applications option. Then, within the Applications menu, look for Instagram. You can use the search bar to find it quickly. Tap Instagram to open app information. Now, on the app information screen, select Storage. Tap the button that says Clear Data and then Clear Cache. This will delete the temporary data that the app has stored on your device. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.